I bought it as soon as it was available. And then I've done all the challenges since then. I've really enjoyed them. Really helped me in terms of the prep, because I think the most difficult thing about this diet is all the prep work. Takeout is so easy now. It's just a bad habit to get into, and actually get back in the kitchen and start chopping vegetables is difficult. And you made it easy with all of the tips. It really helped me a lot. I was getting up into the pre-diabetic, and I was getting high cholesterol, having to take some cholesterol medications. I just put on a lot of weight. And my doctor said, you have to lose weight. And he happened to run a weight loss clinic, and that wasn't working. The popular American weight loss diets just didn't work for me. I've been enthusiast of Dr. Furman's for quite a while, but I never was quite sure how to put the program together. And then when I discovered your challenges, and then the weight started falling off, it just kept coming off. And it was wonderful in the camaraderie of the Facebook group. I think the practicality of having a list to go, shopping, do all of this shopping, and also to the suggestions for how to do the prep work. Very helpful, especially your breakfast smoothies. I really enjoyed those. I am a glutton with gourmet pretensions. So I enjoy food to taste good, but I like to eat lots of whatever is there. And that's, and to be able to eat to satiety is just very, very nice, been very meaningful. It was just wonderful. It just kept coming. As long as I stuck to the program, the weight just kept falling off. It's the vitality I feel, the energy, especially when I was at my peak weight. It put a lot of weight on my lower back. I have a very bad lower back. I was even having injections in the lower back for pain. There was at one point I needed a walker to get around. It was a little scary not to be able to do the things that you really need to do. And as the weight came off, I kept getting more energy, more vitality. I could do things. I could start running again, because I used to love to jog, just love to just get out there and go for it. And then to be able to run again. The more weight I lost, the longer I could go. Just last week, I joined a women's running club, local senior citizens. And I don't think I'll ever get to the point of running a marathon, but last Sunday I did 3 miles. It's just feeling good. I mean, I went through a whole period of not feeling good. I was able to go off of all of my medications, everything, the cholesterol medication, the problem with diabetes, everything just fell away. As I said, all my health problems just went away. It's wonderful. Even my lower back, I can't believe how much better. As I said, I can go for these 3-mile runs, and maybe around 20, 30 pounds, I think. Stick with the program, and it just falls away. It really works. And I had been wrestling with my weight for maybe 30 years after my second son was born. And I put on the weight, and I was never really able to take it off. With your challenge diets, I really feel like I have control over how much I weigh. Thank you for all the wisdom you shared. It's been the difference between making the program work and not. It really has. Wow. I mean, it works. It just pure and simple works. And how the vitality that I feel and energy that I have now. I mean, I'm 74. I've seen many of my friends have battles with weight, and then they go into health issues. They go to heart issues, then they go into diabetes. I mean, it's just boom, 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 boom. It's just sad to see people, especially at my age. I am in my 70s. Everyone gets together. Oh, how's your arthritis? Oh, I've got this pain here. Oh, and I just feel more and more energy and joy of living. It's just great. I'm going to be going on a tour of India next month. And I'm just so excited. I didn't think I would ever be able to travel again. And now with this weight loss and this renewed energy and enthusiasm for living, so much is possible. A whole new life is opening up for me, which I didn't think would be there.